Hey guys, I'm Bryce of ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Oric backwash hoses. It's a 25 footer, so stay tuned. All right, welcome back guys. So we are looking at this Oric 25-foot backwash hose. It's made of a PVC material, so it's very stretchy but very durable, which is exactly what you want for these kind of circumstances. You're using it for your DE and your sand filters. You don't need it at all for cartridge. It's a completely different setup, but it works just as simple as attaching it to the filter, letting the water drain out. When you're done with it, roll it back up and put it away. And it's always going to come looking like this. It does not have a clamp with it. You will need a clamp, but we do sell them separately. So come on down to our online store or in person. We'll have them in stock. But we hope to see you soon. I'm Bryce of ePoolSupply, and have a good day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.